Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I talk about Cooler Master sequel to classic case NR200P V2. So friend, this V2 keeps things compact and frees up desk space without sacrificing any of performance benefits user except from NR200P case such as versatile cooling support and maximize airflow. So friend, the key features include powerfully compact and ultra-sleek 18x25 design delivers unmatched performance and aesthetic with vintage steel and tempered glass side panels, versatile cooling support, which low performance compromise with support for 240 mm or 280 mm liquid coolers, providing the ultimate in thermal efficiency, optimized GPU performance, and efficient vertical airflow layout supported by a 120 mm bottom-mounted fans keeps your GPU extra cool and front with included customized PCIe 5.0 riser cable. It provides vertical GPU mounting that supports GPUs up to 356 mm in length, 160 mm in height, and front. All external panels are secured with pins for easy removable, facilitating quick access to internal without the use of tools, while a removable GPU panel simplifies the installation process. And friend, here is 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C support, which is built into the I/O panel with up to 20 Gbps transfer speed. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.